how to change audio files to MP3 format. Click on the green Add Files button at the top of the program to begin adding your files. Browse to your files and click Open. You can also drag and drop files from your file browser window directly into Switch. Use the Browse button beneath the file list to set your output folder. Click on the Output Format drop-down to select MP3 as your output format. Select all of the files that you want to convert to MP3 format. If you want to convert all of the files in the list, use Ctrl+A to select all. Hold the Ctrl key and click on Files to select just a few files in your list. If no files are selected, every file in the list will be converted. With your file selected, click on the Convert button located in the bottom right corner of the program. When your conversion is complete, click on the Open Folder button to view your newly created files. For more NCH software tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.